This afternoon we're at 6470 Judkins. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Pensacola. Just a great location. Close to shopping, schools, hospitals. Right, really off kind of Langley and Creighton, right between them both. Really a nice location. This is the living area. You can see that we're in now. All of these floors are hardwood floors. There's not a piece of carpet in the house. So it makes it real nice as far as any cleanup or anything like that would go. But you can see this is the living area. This room kind of flows from room to room. This room we're walking into could really be, I guess, whatever you want it to be. It could be a dining room area, could be a media room, reading room, semi-workout room. You could have it, really anything you'd like. This kind of goes right into the kitchen area, and you can see it's a large kitchen area. Lots of cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets. As you can see, a lot of counter space. And this would open up, probably this would be like your breakfast nook or your eating area here. Again, you can see more cabinet space, more counter space. It's really a nice looking, clean, updated home. Of course, back there is your washer and dryer, your laundry room, your washer and dryer hookup. Out back, you can see here is a real nice area. It's covered, a covered little patio where you can sit outside and enjoy the morning coffee, read the paper, afternoon iced tea, glass of wine, whatever you prefer. And then we're going to walk down this hallway, or this wing of the home, and this is going to be where the 3 bedrooms and 2 baths are. Nice sized bedrooms. I'll show you right here. You've got 2 linen closets. Come in here. Again, you've got the nice floors. All the closets are nice sized closets. Here's the bathroom area. You got a tub shower combo. More storage shelving here on the left. Going to this additional bedroom, this is a little bit larger. Here you can see I'm talking about in the closets. You've got a lot of closet space in these bedrooms, all 3 of them. Kind of give you the size of this room here, kind of try to get in the corner. Then we walk into the master bedroom area. Again, a nice sized room. A large closet area. Master bath over there in the corner. This is really a must-see house. Very nice, great area of town. You've got a walk-in shower here in the master. Nice countertop. Again, this home is 6470 Judkins. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Pensacola. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers. Our phone number is 850-934-2588. And please visit our website at Barrons, B-A-R-R-O-N-S, pm.com.